Hi, class. I'm here to talk to you about our next project that we're going to be doing in chemistry. We've been working really hard on on our periodic table unit, and to culminate it, we're going to be doing a periodic table project. So I'm going to come over here to my Word document, let you know this used to be just a pencil paper project, but now with new technology out and me trying to go paperless, we're going to turn this into an electronic project. So as it says here, you're going to become a proud godparent to an element from the periodic table. The element you choose must have an atomic number of 21 through 101, and you can do this in teams of one or two. As a loving godfather or godmother to your element, you will create a baby book to remember each stage of your sweet element's life. And so that's what our idea is. But instead of doing this on paper like we used to, we're going to do this on Google Slides. So as you see here, I have a template that you're going to be using, and I'm sending this to you on Google Classroom. And again, you can work by yourself or with a partner. And you're going to be filling out each one of these templates with both information and with graphics. So on this first page, pretty straightforward, you're going to be coming up with a baby element name. So if I had gold, I wouldn't just want to call my baby gold. I want to give it a cute name like Gordy Gold or Alfred Aluminum or something like that. You let your creativity be your guide. So all this page just has is your baby element name and the names of your group members. The next page you'll see right here is your vital statistics. Your nickname is just what we're going to be calling the symbol of your baby. The birth date is going to be the year that your element was discovered. Now, some elements like gold have been around since the beginning of time, so you can just say something like time immemorial. Baby birth weight is the atomic mass, and the height is what we're going to be calling the atomic number. On our next page, page 3, this is where you're going to put a picture of your element. Now, I want you to draw a picture on this one, and then we're going to insert it. If you need some help with that, I'll go step by step on how to insert your own artwork. But the idea on this one is, let me go back here, is to have a square-shaped element similar to what you see on these Avengers. So you're going to have a square-shaped body, similar to what you'd have with a periodic table, add some arms and legs, and you can see how cute those are going to be. And those are something you're going to have to draw and add color to and then insert right in the spot. I know it'll look amazing, and I'll show you some samples in class. Our next one is going to be physical and chemical properties, and you would just outline these right here, and all of those are going to be things you can find on the internet. Next page, page 5, we call this the footprint. So where you're going to put a Bohr model, and you can get this off the internet. You don't have to draw that yourself. And here you can give the information about the Bohr model, how many protons, how many neutrons, how many electrons, and so on. That's the footprint. Here's the handprint. We haven't talked too much about electron configuration here, but you can find that information on the internet and put that right there. Well, we're getting close to the end here. Let's see what we have left. 7th slide is going to be the gender. That's going to be what state of matter you'll find it at room temperature. Attending physician, who's the one who discovered it? We all know who discovered phosphorus, but who discovered your element? Again, if it's something like silver that's been around since the beginning of time, you won't have an attending physician. What country was it discovered in? And early life is any other facts you might have learned about its discovery. Page 8 is all about family members. We know that every element belongs to a family, and so you're just going to choose 3 of the family members. You don't have to do it all. The interesting ones, write their name and a fact about them. It'd be really cool if you could put a graphic right here that you find on the internet to represent each one. Slide 9 is the future of the element. This is where you're going to tell what uses your element has. What value does it have for mankind? And things like that. Any other facts you find about your element that you haven't been able to place anywhere, put it in that spot. Slide 10, this is where you're going to find a photo of it, maybe at its natural state on the internet, and that's going to be a really cool thing to put there. And our final slide, slide 11, you're going to find a video on YouTube. It's very easy to insert a video. You just have to go up here to Insert, Video, and then just place the link right there, and it'll show right in this spot right here. Again, I can help you if you need that. We'll talk in class about what the time frame is, on how when these are going to be due and what different aspects you have to turn in. But I think you're going to have fun with this project. It's going to tie right into what we've been learning about periodic table, about the elements, and about all the periodic trends. Thanks.